The main reasons for this change are many. First of all, shorter terms have become a best practice at other colleges, and our own data shows that programs had been operating in a true trimester format, including through the summer term, had better completion rates. Shorter terms lighten the cognitive load. That means that students have fewer courses to focus on at one time, so it's not so overwhelming. The 7-week redesign aligns with guided pathways, allowing students to pursue an area of interest and take introductory classes that will help determine best program without taking any unnecessary credits. And our research shows that shorter terms allows for better targeted academic supports. Lastly, it's really important for us to eliminate equity gaps, allowing for more students to complete, which in turn helps our workforce at a time when local businesses desperately need more highly trained workers.
As we look at our student body, we know that more than 70% of our students currently enroll part-time. In fact, it's most likely that these students are enrolling in 6 credits in a 15-week term. That means at this pace, in a perfect scenario, our students are earning their associate degrees in 5 years. And again, that's only if life goes perfectly during those 5 years. There are many reasons for students to be part-time, including balancing work and family responsibilities. And we understand that many situations can't be changed. But Western has the ability to change how we offer our programs and to meet the needs of our students. By moving to 7-week sessions, full-time students will have the opportunity to enroll in up to 18 credits per term and earn an associate's degree in 2 years or less. And part-time students who may only be able to enroll in 2 courses at a time could earn 6 credits in the first 7 weeks, another 6 credits in the second 7 weeks, and then repeat that again in the following term. They would also have the opportunity to do the same thing in the summer term, giving them the chance to earn 36 credits in an academic year. Of course, we recognize that not every part-time student will be able to enroll in 36 credits in an academic year. But now you have the realistic chance to do so. And when you do, you'll have the opportunity to earn your credential in a timely manner, get out in the workforce sooner, and earn faster.